Having a rough day at work? Stressed? That makes you feel easily agitated? Do you feel like going to a spa but you don't have time? Introducing, from Home Spa Essentials, 3D Aromatherapy Humidifier. It disperses essential oils into the air and fills the area with a natural fragrance. Promotes calmness and relaxation before going to bed. Invigorate the body, boost your mind, and lift your spirit. Unlock the hidden healing power of nature. Now pamper yourself and bring spa to your home. Take advantage and shop now. From Home Spa Essentials. Contact us or visit our Facebook and website.